Okay guys, get to know Think with Us, a book that has LMS inside it.
Now, I'm gonna tell you how to access LMS. First step, you need to scan the QR code in the book to access the LMS. After that, you need to sign up first. But now, I already have the account, so I just press the login. Let me tell you how to log in. Put your email and your password to log in. Or you can press the Google logo to log in. And it's done!
So what is the special feature of this book? At here, we can do many online tasks and the system will help us to check it. Also, this LMS has a video to help us to understand the material. Therefore, we can study from home without our teacher.
There's also an audio feature for listening, which is really helpful.
Unit 1, page 15. Listening. Exercises 6 and 7.
Hello everyone. Well, here in Britain, it's exam time again.
But if you're getting bored from just doing the task or you have finished a unit, there's a game that you can play so that learning will be more fun. So for the example is like Man Runner. It can help you to think faster and enjoy studying.
So that's all from us. We hope it will help. Thank you for watching. Bye!